Today is lecture 7 of class 9 physics. Today we will discuss examples of NCERT which one is based on numericals of average speed and average velocity. Here are price 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3. So let us discuss first example on numerical 8.1. Solution here is: here an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. Then we have to calculate what is the average speed of the object. So here total distance equals 16 plus 16 is equal to 32 meter. And what about total time? Here total time taken equals 4 plus 2 equals 6 second, as you can see in question. Now average speed, formula of average speed which we have discussed in previous lecture. Average speed equals total distance upon total time taken. Here 32 upon 6, after calculation it will be 5.33 meter per second. Here is solution of first example 8.1. Now we will 8.2. Here the odometer of a car reads 200 km at the start of a trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer and meter per second. Kilometer per hour and meter per second. So here first reading is 2000 kilometer, and second reading it is odometer. Here second reading is first reading, here second reading 2400 kilometer. Then total distance here is equal to this reading first 2400 is final minus initial reading 2000. Here total distance is 400 kilometer and total time equal to 8 hours. Now average speed equals total distance upon total time taken, which is 400 upon 8. Here we get 8 5 are 40, means I am 0, and 50 kilometer per hour. Here average speed in kilometer is 50 kilometer per hour. Then we calculate in meter per second. We will multiply it by 5 by 18. So 50 multiplied by 5 by 18. Here you can divide by 2. Here it is 125 upon 9 meter per second. Also you can divide it further. Here 9 1s are 9. Here it is 13.9 meter per second. Which one is your answer? Now the third example is 8.3. Here Usha swims in a 90 meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other end and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. Here you have to calculate average speed, also average velocity. So here distance of the pool. Here distance of pool is 90 meter. Means total distance of pool is 90 meter. Means one times she swims from one end to other and comes back again. Then it will become 180 meter. which distance, or we can say that total distance covered by Usha. But here you can see that C goes along the one straight path and comes back on same pole. So displacement of Usha will be 0, as displacement depends on direction or the shortest distance between 2 points. So here between 2 points, here C goes and comes back on the same straight path. So displacement here is 0. Displacement here is 0 meter. Now average speed equals total distance upon time taken, or total time taken. Here distance 180 meter and time is 1 minute. Here time is given 1 minute, which equals 60 seconds. So we will get here, when we divide it, 6 3 18 means 3 meter per second. But for average velocity here, displacement upon time here displacement is 0 and time is 60 seconds. So here average velocity is 0 meter per second. Average velocity is 0 meter per second, while average speed is 3 meter per second. So students, these are the numericals based on average speed and average velocity. You can also try several examples or questions given in textbook, which if you get any problem, then you will comment in comment box, then your solution will be given in next lecture. So today, thank you for class.